welcome to my channel. I'm Hassa, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can achieve this head wrap style. It's very simple and it's very easy. All you need is 2 yards of fabric or any material that you prefer. It just has to be wide enough to wrap around your entire head. Safety pins are optional for extra security. I don't use them, I just kind of tuck them. I do use them sometimes, but that's up to you. And without any further ado, let's just get into this video. Now at this point, if you have any fabric hanging over in the back, you'll just bring it to the front and wrap it around. And you're going to use the rest of the fabric just to bring it all together. And that's it. It's really simple. Also, if you want to make sure it's extra secure, you can always use the pins at this point. Just pin them wherever necessary. And your look is complete. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, please let me know. Thanks for watching.